So here we are with another radio, another comms option, and another unboxing. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome everybody to the channel. Whether you are a regular vault dweller or you are a wastelander just popping in for the first time, your presence here is always welcome and we appreciate you. So today we're going to be looking at another Baofeng radio. This one I believe is now either the 4th or the 5th generation of the very popular Baofeng UV-21R model. This one should be the Baofeng UV-21R model. So let's get right into the unboxing and let's see what this thing holds for us. Alright, starting out, there's nothing fancy about the box. Brown box with the Baofeng logo on it. We get the BF, I apologize, this one's called the BF21 series model. Let's see what we have here. So this one is a tri-band model. I do remember seeing that and wanted to verify. So it's a 2 meter, 1.25 meter, and a 440 or 70 centimeter amateur radio. And it outputs 5 watts is what it says. 999 groups for memory channel. And it is a 1800 milliamp hour battery that comes with it. So your basic little key book. This one actually looks a little bit thicker than most of those other Baofengs that I've played around with. This is the radio. Sorry about that. But the antenna wants to pop out right at us, and wow. I guess we'll get to the handheld here in a minute. This almost looks like a Nagoya, but oh, take that back. It is an Abri, the Abri AR771. I'm wondering if this is comparable to the Nagoya. It is usually suggested to get as your first upgrade for an antenna. Here's the Baofeng itself. Check that out. It's definitely heavier. Kind of reminds me of an old Nokia phone. Probably dated myself there if you remember Nokia bricks, but I like the look of it. Very sleek looking, kind of a charcoal gray. Buttons are nice and raised. It even has a center button and looks like a little, almost feels like almost like a little mouse ball there, but it's not. So, all right, the battery. And turn that right side up there. And it is, let's see if we can get it to focus for y'all. Let's see, it says it's a BL21 UV model battery, high capacity, charge limit of 8.4 volts. Oh, there's the USB-C charger right there. I do like that on these newer radios, they have the option for a USB-C charge instead of putting them on their cradle. Very handy, especially out in the field. Let's put this guy in. And that's cool. The locking mechanism for the battery housing here is actually a turn, almost like a turn screw here. That's interesting. First model of first radio I've had that has one of those for the locking. And going further in here, we have, oh wow, also the standard rubber ducky. It does come with a charging cradle with the wire already attached, the plug already attached, so that's nice. Some of the older models, the 1st through 3rd generation UV-5R models, all have the cradle that comes with the cord that's detached. You have to plug it into it. Just no big deal, but the earpiece, USB-C, or excuse me, USB-A to a USB-C male end charging cable. That fancy belt clip that all the ladies like. Oh, and the fashionable wrist strap. Can't forget that right there. And look at this. You even get a screwdriver in this one. Now, that's cool. Tell you, this actually isn't the best screwdriver for this job, but we're going to make it work just for the sake of putting this on so we can turn the radio on. Yeah, definitely needs a better screwdriver than this little thing here. And it's just a small, cheap plastic screwdriver, but hey, screwdriver's a screwdriver, right? Hey guys, Pluto and I would like to take a second to say we thank you for dropping in and watching the video. And if you are not a current Vault Dweller yet with us, why don't you join us? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you click on the bell if you want to notify when we drop our latest videos. And also, drop us some commentary. We love hearing from y'all. It helps us with the channel. And if you don't mind, you can give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever fits your fancy. Helps the algorithm out and helps spread it to other people. Alright guys, back to the video. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we've attached our handheld SureCom VSWR and watt reader up here. And we'll go ahead and turn the radio on.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Well, that's a lot nicer than the original Baofeng voice we get upon starting up. We'll start the meter. Set it to just forward wattage since we got our dummy load on top. See if I can figure this out here just to get it into a EFW mode here. Let's see. About half battery from what I put in, so
Frequency mode.
there we go. Let's do
1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0.
we'll do the 2 meter national calling frequency.
Menu.
I've not gone through the menu yet on this one. Okay, we are on high power there, so let's exit. All right, let's see what we get on the meter up there on high. On the
Menu.
oops, yeah, on the 2 meter calling frequency. Let's see what we get. 5.10, just over 5. It's slowly falling there, as you can see. All right, so it does produce 5 watts on high on the 2 meter. So now let's do the 70 centimeter national simplex. Let's see what we get on this. Let's see here. .15, about 3.15. Okay. Which I have to tell you is about that's about what I get on my other Baofengs for power readings, comparing your 2 meter to your 70 centimeter. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we're going to try the, sorry about that, we're going to try the 1.25 meter calling frequency, which is 223.500.
2, 2, 3, 5, 0, 0.
All right, high power. We're going to see what we get on this one. So let's see here. Wow, 5.5. It's going to slowly fall there, but it's about 5.5 watts. Not bad at all. Okay, and just to do a quick size comparison, so here's our newer Baofeng. Here is my UV-21R Pro. As you can see, they're similar in size, even with the, there we go. They're similar in size, even with the rubber duck attached. About the same in thickness. This one has a really large PTT here, and it has an up and down arrow here. I'm not sure what these are for. And there's your speaker connection right here. And again, I'm really digging that these have these USB-C charging ports here, and you don't have to have these in cradles. That's great for your power banks, for your small solar panel charges, which, by the way, I have one that I've tested out that I charge a tablet with. in roughly about 2-ish hours or so. I was able to charge one completely from dead to full. That's up here if you want to check that out. I suggest you do so. It's a really cool small solar panel for your backpack. Anyway, guys, there it is. Newer Baofeng. Definitely be taking this one out to go try it out on the repeaters. And really curious to start playing around on some 1.25 meter. I have never done that before. So that's going to be a new and exciting adventure there to try. Anyway, guys, remember, always be getting ready. Until next time, we'll see you around.